Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is day 17 of the Leetcode Daily Challenge. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about today's farm. I'm here in Shufan I'm here by a waterfall, Shufan waterfall in Shufan here in Taiwan. Yeah. I don't know, hope your Leetcode rating doesn't go down like the waterfall. I don't know. Alright, let's get to today's problem. Yeah, let's do today's problem. Hope you like the intro. Still in Taipei for at least another day. Today's problem is design a food rating system. 2353. All right, let's see what we're doing. So you have to change rating. Return the highest rated food for a type of cuisine. Okay. Food. Okay, so modify the rating of a food item in the system. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I think this is just what I call bookkeeping, and you know, as long as you're able to keep it, then it should be fine. But this is, of course, a thing for ordered data structure. Often a tree, but there are different ways you can do it. It really depends on your language, to be honest. In Python, the ring that I would use is a sorted list, I think, and I think that's what I would do. So yeah, so okay, food cuisine, right? So basically we have SIP foods cuisines ratings, and then now we have for food cuisine rating in whatever, right? Because basically the idea is that change rating could change the highest rated up or down, right? Because if you change a rating down, then, you know, yeah. So basically we need some way of kind of just having modify something in it, and that's what I would do with sorted list. So maybe I would have something like food by cuisine or something like this. As you go to sorted list, and you know, from sorted containers, and I spelled it correctly, import sorted list, right? And basically in this we go food by cuisine. I messed up on this one. I mean, I think I want a dictionary of these, right? Default dict lambda sorted list. And then the idea here is that now we can do by cuisine, and then we use the cuisine as the hash key. We can add food, and well, we want to sort by the rating. So rating food, we wanted to do the highest rating. So that means we'll use a negative rating just so that it sorts to the front. And food name is just food name with lexicographically smaller. So then now we can the beginning of the list. Beginning of the sorted list will always be highest rating, and the food lexicographically smallest, and change rating. And then now so return the highest will be easy, because then now it should be just the cuisine, and then 0 would be the first item, and then the first index is the food. You can if you have more time, you would maybe put this in a name tuple instead, so that you know you can kind of make this more readable. Probably should do that, but yeah, the change rating is the thing. I'm gonna return for now. Do nothing, just to kind of see if it kind of just to make sure that it quote unquote compiles. I mean, obviously Python doesn't compile, but I just want to make sure that I don't have like any silly typos. Okay, that's good. Just want to, and you know, we saw that we did have one. So change rating is a little bit tricky. So basically now we have to go maybe food rating map or something like this, right? And then you could just do a hash table. And now food rating map would have food is you go to rating, and the key here is that, you know, rating is you go to self.food rating map of food, and then this is important because then now we also need to get the cuisine, don't we? Yeah, okay, fine. This is gonna maybe food map is the better thing to do about it. And then now the food map would just will contain the rating and the cuisine And then now all rating is equal to that. All rating and cuisine is equal to this. And then now solve that food by cuisine. We have to update it by the new rating. We know the old rating, so we can remove it by negative old rating food, and then now we can just add the new one. New rating food, but we also have to update the food rating map, right? Or the food map as it now is called. Again, you should wrap all these in at least a name tuple, maybe a class, but I am lazy today. But don't tell your interviewer that. Food, right? And now we set this equal to the new rating. This has to be negative, of course, to sort it in front, and then just keep the same cuisine. You ever see that thing where like you type the same word 5 times and sometimes it feels like you're having a typo? That's how I felt at the time. All right, so it looks good. What did I do last time? I'm always curious. I guess I did it the same way, pretty much. Yeah. So what is the complexity here, right? Well, this one, let's say add is going to be log n, and it's going to be dominated by this. So this is going to be n log n. Highest rated, obviously, is just, oh, well, actually, I don't know if it's obvious. I think getting min is O of 1, but I don't know if that depends on, I don't know what they guarantee, to be honest, with sorted list. But I think it should be O of 1 because you can just have, I don't know. I may be wrong on that one. Either way, in the worst case, it's log n. And change rating, of course, is log n. We have 2 sorted list functions. So yeah, that's all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Stay good, stay healthy to good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.